Okay, we're back. We're putting down Ridz, and he's raking the carpet, so I'm not gonna really try to video him in there because it's too dark. I already put the light. I have a light, but I put it away already. Let me get in the closet here. I'll just show in here a second. I don't think you can see, but I'm gonna need to look in the closet. The carpets are all nice and smooth and even now. Yeah, we don't try to show cleaning and stuff in these closets because it's too hard to maneuver around and film. There's two things I hate. I mean, I don't like furniture cleaning. When I watch YouTube, there's two things I won't watch. Let me show them there real quick. I'll kind of watch furniture cleaning, maybe, but I really kind of hate it. I hate looking at it, I hate doing it. I won't watch no one clean a closet, and I hate watching people clean area rugs. To me, that is the most boring thing in the world. Area rugs. Yeah. Okay. Ridz, I'll try to put a link. I'll try to remember to put a link in there for this. It's a really good. If you have pets or odors, it's got a Quat in it, which is good for if there's been pet messes and stuff. Yeah, this will kill urine and stuff like that, but we don't really need it because we got OS1. We got the sun shining right in the window. So I'm not sure how good these videos we shot in here today are going to turn out. I think they're going to turn out real good. They're way too bright, and the camera has trouble adjusting to the dark areas. And I hate raking. I just do it because everybody loves it. The final results. Yeah, I like the look. I hate the action. The mistake we made was we started raking like 12 or 14 years ago here, and they loved it. Yeah. And after that, they're like, oh, always rake. I was like, oh man. We made it look like a putting green. All the other carpet cleaners there we use just leaves it with footprints and machine marks and everything in it. Then we made it look like a brand new carpet, and then we have to do it that way from then on. Oh yeah, we're committed to it now. We're stuck. It's a lifetime commitment as long as we're at this complex. Other complexes we work at, I don't do this. I like the way it looks, but I don't do it because I don't want to be stuck doing it everywhere in the city. Yeah, if you have like a pretty large apartment to do this raking's a lot of work. Yeah, it gets old. You get older, you get tired of it. It doesn't seem like it'd be hard, but it gets to be kind of strenuous. It just gets, it's boring as all get out. Spraying the odor down, I like that. But I hate the raking. Yeah, I'd be happy to go spritz down the nice deodorizer. That's fun. Playing with a sprayer and good times, good times. Raking? No. I hate it, but our customers do love it. The other carpet cleaners that clean out here leave the plastic sawtooth, saber tooth, sharp tooth, backgammon, whatever you want to call that pattern. And they like, the managers here always look this over all that, so this definitely gets you noticed. Okay. Yeah, it gets the marks out pretty good, and it's going to dry looking better if nobody walks in it. It's probably, hit that light. We took off for, I don't know, 10 minutes to go get some other equipment, and it's probably dry now. I didn't check it, I don't need to. It dries so fast. So, well, that's pretty much it. This apartment should be finished unless something comes up. But hope you guys enjoyed the process. It's several videos we got out of this one. So that's it for now. Till next time, thanks for watching.